Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today you're going to be looking at using confetti package in our flutter application. As you see, I've already done a demo. As you see on my screen, I've used the confetti package from the pub.dev site. So let's start by installing the flutter package in our application. I'll head up to my terminal and run the command flutter. Flutter pub add confetti. As it is installing, as you can see, the package is being added and has finally finished. So here today we are going to be using a stateful widget, and we name it homepage. And next we'll be using a stack widget. Let's replace that with stack widget. Inside the stack we'll put alignment center. Let's align all the content of the stack widget to the center. Next will be the children widget of the stack widget, whereby our first widget will be a scaffold. In the scaffold we'll set the background of the scaffold to black so that our confetti animation, we can easily see it very well. So in this video I'll be using the black background. And next will be a simple app bar. This one will be quick, just a simple heading. First we need to initialize the confetti controller, so I'll just name it controller, make it final, then equate it to the confetti controller from the confetti package we just installed. As you see, it's there. Next we'll initialize the boolean is playing. Let's call it is playing. Initialize the false. Then next, in the scaffold body, we'll be using a center widget to make sure we center our button. Here we'll be putting a button. So let's put a child. Let's just use an elevated button. Let's put the text called play confetti. Then now in the on place function of our button, we'll always be checking if the is playing boolean is true. If the boolean is true, we set the confetti to stop playing. So we just say controller dot stop, and then next we just set the boolean to false. Then in the else part of our if, we will be setting the controller to play, whereby we are playing the confetti again. So we set the is playing boolean to true, so that next time when you place the button, we just stop the confetti from animating. So now let's add the confetti widget that will be doing the animation. So we just add it in the list of the stack children below the scaffold. So confetti widget from the confetti package we just installed. We set the confetti controller to the controller we initialized. Then we set the should loop to true. Then next will be the blast directionally. Let's set it to explosive, whereby it blasts all directions, and then we run. Let's run our project and see. Not before we run, we need to uncomment this part. Okay, let's run it now. Our app is launching up. So our app is running. Let's press the button and see. Bingo, as you see, when we press the button, the confetti animation starts. So we increase the max boost force to 200. So the max boost force is the speed at which the blast happens. So let's also increase the number of particles to 10,000, and we see, just testing this. When we increase the particles and we press the button, as you see, the particles become very many. So let's reduce it to 100. So as you see, the particles have reduced. So guys, that's all about I can say confetti. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel.